This $2 crypto has massive potential. The stock market is coming down, and so is the crypto market. So, for what possible reason would we be so pumped about it? Well, the only reason is that everything we want to buy is getting cheaper. That's right. This is exactly our time to stock up on our favorite cryptos, and we have a lot to tell you. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a bunch of recommendations for you. We are going to talk about a crypto token that has a lot of potential and is going to explode soon after we get over this downturn. Now, a lot of people ask us whether you guys should be buying or selling during this phase, and we're going to answer that for you. Moreover, is this a chance for you to turn your 1K into 500K? And how important is it to have these cryptocurrencies in your portfolio? Can these cryptos make you super rich? If you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So, without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
Want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Now, the banger we're going to talk about in this video is Polygon. For now, Polygon is trading at $2.10. However, there are chances that the price might even go lower, so get ready to stock up on it. Polygon is currently 16% down and has basically been flat for a week. An important thing to note here is that even after being flat for a week, it has been up by 9% on a monthly basis. So let's move on to the call options and put options on Polygon, because with the stock market coming down, you have to learn how to make money. Now, Polygon is an Ethereum token like Shiba Inu, Saitama, and all other different coins that are also based on Ethereum that powers the Polygon network. When it comes to the usability, it is worth noting that it is a scaling solution for Ethereum. You guys should remember that for scaling, Ethereum is being used on a wide scale, and that's sort of an issue with all of the gas fees. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using Layers 2 sidechain, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. We'll talk more about the Layer 2 sidechains later in the video. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The MUSST token is basically used to pay transaction fees and participate in proof-of-stake consensus. Now, the way it works is to imagine Polygon as an express train on a subway. It travels along the same route as a local train. However, it makes fewer stops and thus moves much faster. It's important to know that in this particular analogy, Ethereum is the local train. In a nutshell, Polygon goes side by side with Ethereum because it's just a layer on it, but it has less stops, which makes it faster and cheaper to use. So the main use of Polygon is to be an upgrade of Ethereum. So to create new MUSST and secure the network, Polygon uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which means that one way you earn money on MUSST, you hold through staking. As for the market cap of Polygon, it is $14.8 billion at the time of the making of this video, which makes Polygon the 14th largest cryptocurrency in the entire world. However, the relatively interesting yet surprising thing to note here is that when you look at the comparison of how much dollars of it is traded back and forth, there is $3.5 billion being traded back and forth in the last 24 hours, meaning people are trading Polygon like crazy. In addition, when compared to Dogecoin, which is at $1 billion, and Shiba Inu at just $1 billion, or even Crypto.com coin at $250 million. The crazy volume being traded clearly shows the potential and value of Polygon. Now notice, when you go to Coinbase, you'll see that 70% of all buying or all trading of Polygon on Coinbase was done, and it's just straight up buying now. The typical hold time of this is over 2 months at 68 days, and on Coinbase, It is the 11th most popular cryptocurrency that is being traded. 82% of all people are currently in the money. They are on the green while only 3% are down. Isn't that crazy? So, one thing that we do want you to know and see is that when you think about a crypto token, you would most likely want it to be decentralized. Now, being decentralized means that it's not all in the central location because they are susceptible to being hit and then wiping everybody out or whale dropping everything on us. So, when looking at Polygon, it says that the top 10 holders are holding 73.52% of the token. Now that we suppose is a bit of a red flag, there is a possibility that they have some dead wallet that we have to do further research into. We looked into this a little bit in terms of what these wallets are. The top wallet that has the 21.25% of the token, even if that was the dead wallet like with Shiba Inu, for example, where all of the tokens go in there and they never come back out. The next wallet under that has 16% of the total supply of tokens, and the list goes on as the amount of the tokens keep decreasing. So to be honest, it seems quite concentrated between 10 whales, and even the 10th person has 1.25% of the total supply of tokens. Now, the only disadvantage of this high concentration, as most of you guys would know, is that a whale could possibly make a really big splash. Our purpose to disclose this is not to scare you away, but to provide facts. We keep it real. We keep it raw. Now, the total supply according to CoinMarketCap and Etherscan is about 10 billion, and there are 7 billion coins that basically can be traded in the circulating supply right now. Now, let's take a look at some key levels. At the time of making this video, Polygon went down to $2.06 from $2.47. Now this clearly shows how volatile it is throughout the day. You can easily get in low and get out high. However, it is just a suggestion. Do your own research before taking any action. Coming back to the point, $2.06 is a weak support level, whereas we have got a stronger support level with two confirmations at $1.75 mark. So if we saw that, we will be willing to potentially pick up some of this. However, you should know that back in May, June, Polygon went up to $2.68, and we got pretty close to that today at about $2.50. And then immediately it dropped down to 69 cents. So when you get into something like this, do not be in a rush. So unless they make Polygon a little bit differentiated, the time is going to come, and we're saying this because they said that they want to make Ethereum more scalable. They want to make Ethereum faster, and they want to make it less expensive to trade with the gas fees. However, at the same time, Ethereum 2 is coming out, so let's take a look at that too. Ethereum 2.0 is an upcoming set of upgrades to Ethereum that's intended to make it significantly faster, less expensive, and more scalable. These are pretty much everything that Polygon is currently doing. All the Ethereum that you can own right now is going to get switched to Ethereum 2.0 one day, and you'll have to do nothing. Now, as a part of the upgrade, participants may stake ETH tokens to help secure the network. In exchange for staking, participants will then receive rewards based on their staked ETH. It is being anticipated that Ethereum 2.0 is going to be launched somewhere in 2022 and 2024. So between this time, you can stock up on Polygon and earn huge profits. That said, this is it for today's video. Kindly note that this content in this video is for instructive purposes only and should not be considered as monetary guidance. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about investing in Polygon. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.